Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and in this tutorial I'll be making a chopstick holder. So I'll start off by making a diagonal fold. After that fold, I'll make another diagonal fold about a centimetre gap from that first fold. So I'll spin my paper around a little bit and I'll use this corner to fold up, make it like a boat shape. Now that I've done all of that, I'll unfold everything that I've done so far. Think of these like your pre-creases. Now I'll take the top corner here and I'll fold this down to make an edge. This is the bottom edge of the chopstick holder. One little detail with this step, make sure the corner aligns with the center crease. It's probably a little bit hard to see here. And then from here, I'll refold these creases, so this layer will go over the top. Now I'll flip over to the other side and fold this over. We're getting to the end, it's starting to look like the final model. So with the bottom here, I'll fold this up. I'll just give this a nice firm crease initially, and then I'll tuck it underneath like this. Final step, flip over to the other side and fold this little triangle down. For the occasion, I do have some chopsticks on hand, so I'll show you how that works. Happy folding and have fun! Hi everyone, I'm Isabella, I am Bizzi Art and I've loved making all this content for you. I hope you enjoyed making this one with me. And if you liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because there's always something new to learn. And don't forget, I've got my website in the link down below, so you can always check that out if you're looking for some origami paper. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see what happens in the next video. Bye.